Wherever you are right now, make yourself comfortable. Clear your mind and enjoy these incredible moments with us. That flip went wrong, though luckily she wasn't hurt. He hopped onto a moving treadmill, and luckily he wasn't hurt.
Go 20.
It looks like that board just couldn't handle his weight. That splash probably ended pool day right on the spot. No worries, he came out of that just fine. These two are definitely giving it their all in this challenge.
Oh my God!
You don't need an explanation, her face says it all.
Tu veux le faire?
Ouais, tranquille.
She lost her footing for a moment, but she came out okay.
Do jeito que hoje eu tô zangado aqui pra me quebrar uma mesa é bem facinho.
Looks like that chair decided to retire a little early. It's all fun and games, and thankfully, everyone is fine. That was nothing more than a harmless, funny moment. She stepped onto the wet surface and slipped right away. They were just joking around after the party, and the cake ended up in the river. He lost his footing for a moment and took a fall.
2, 1.
It looks like that rope swing didn't go the way he planned. The flip went wrong fast, yet the good news is she was okay. No need to worry, she was okay after that awkward moment. Thankfully, that was only a ball, so she ended up okay. That sky looks like a clear warning that a powerful storm is about to arrive. That looked much worse than it really was, and luckily, he came out totally fine. That jump definitely looked frightening, though luckily, he came out of it completely fine. That was a scary-looking moment, and thankfully, she walked away totally okay afterward. That move didn't go exactly as planned, though thankfully he came out of it just fine. She slipped and took the fall, but thankfully she was completely fine afterward. For a second, that looked really frightening, though luckily, nothing serious happened in the end. Thankfully, he was completely fine after that messy little fall. For a second, that looked really frightening, though luckily, nothing happened to him at all. Looks like she totally pranked him, and his reaction says everything.
Trying to catch this little fucking mouse.
It was a close call, yet thankfully, he was perfectly okay after. She almost made it up there, then slipped off and was still fine.
Slip and fall. Ow! Pimp down!
That was a risky moment, yet thankfully, he walked away completely fine afterward. The table gave out the moment she climbed on top of it. A little more caution next time. Girl, thankfully, she wasn't hurt at all.
Vamos ver se a mãozinha deixa, gente. Depois fala assim, ah, já tá chato isso.
Watch where you're going, buddy. Be a little more careful next time. They got off the boat in a pretty unusual style, and thankfully, they were completely okay. Looks like the ocean had a very splashy way of wishing this couple good luck. I thought he had that trash bag handled, then gravity had other plans. Good news, she was perfectly okay after that sudden little mishap. She fell right off the table, but thankfully, she was completely fine afterward.
Oh, it's so pretty.
For a second, that looked pretty intense, though luckily, nothing serious happened in the end. 1 second the balloon was there, and the next it was completely gone. Something about this scene just doesn't seem quite right from the start. We hope you enjoyed every moment and had a little fun along the way. Thanks for spending your time with us, and we'll see you again very soon.